Welcome back everybody to Hayes Tech and ROM Reviews. I just have a very quick video for you showing you the 4K video quality on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the optimum or best shooting conditions that you could get for trying to shoot 4K on the GoPro Hero 7 Black and still have the image stabilization working. Because remember, if the lighting isn't quite right, say you have cloudy or overcast skies, say it's a stormy day, it's kind of gloomy, doomy, your image stabilization is going to suffer greatly from that. And I have another video out explaining how you want to set up your camera so that you can get that good, smooth hyper stabilization that the GoPro Hero 7 Black is known for. So when we come back, we're going to go ahead and show you the video quality in 4K, 60 frames per second on the GoPro Hero 7 Black.
And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. You hit that notification icon to get a notification of my videos as soon as they're released. That way you don't miss any of them. I don't want to cover up any microphones. Okay, this is a standard test of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's not like mid-afternoon. This is about the perfect time you want to do recording outside. The sun is not too bright. It's perfect actually. So we're gonna get our best footage right now. There's the mountains over there. There's the sun directly at us. Oh, I also have the GoPro set up in GoPro Tunes. It's GoPro color settings. I normally like to use a flat color profile so I can change things in post, you know, color correction, stuff like that. But since my computer's not working properly now, I can't do that. I'm just letting GoPro use its natural colors, or I'm letting GoPro use its color science to make everything look the way it thinks it should look. And GoPro does a very, very good job at that. It really punches up the colors, makes everything look nice and vivid without overdoing it, at least I think. I think the GoPro Hero 7 has some of the best color science of all of the GoPros. But from the GoPro Hero, I would say 4 and up, they pretty much had color and picture quality right up at the top anyway. So, but I mean, for those of you that haven't had a chance to use a GoPro Hero 7 yet, I'm telling you, you are missing a lot, especially on a day like today where there's not a cloud in the sky and it is just gorgeous. The picture quality, it's not going to show the way it should on YouTube because of their upload algorithms, but it'll still look pretty good. I'm shooting 4K 60 frames per second right now. I do have my image stabilization on, which it will work great in this kind of lighting conditions. Now if it was overcast and gloomy out, the image stabilization does not work very good. Remember, you have to revert to those settings that I made that video on, where you drop your ISO low or minimum setting to 100. That's where you take your ISO settings and you set your minimum ISO to 100 and your maximum ISO to 1600, and your image stabilization will look good. I think though on cloudy and overcast days, I would stay out of 4K. I would shoot in 2.7 or 2.5K or whatever it's called. It's in between 1080p and 4K. That is how I would have, that's how I'd have the settings set up on a cloudy, dingy, yucky day. On a day like today, Noah's behind me. On a day like today, You thought you were gonna sneak up on me.
Yep.
Where's your coat, mister? Dude, it is freezing out here.
Yep.
It is freezing. It's only like 27 degrees.
Not that cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Okay. Well, we're gonna go in the house. I'm gonna let Noah get his coat on, and then we're gonna go take recycles down. But again, I wanted to let you guys see what the GoPro Hero 7 Black would do in really nice lighting conditions. And today is a perfect day for that. It'd be nice if it was like, I don't know, 70 degrees out right now. But it's not. And we take what we can get. God, I hate Pennsylvania in the winter. I really do.
Well guys, thanks for watching the video. I try to keep it as short as possible. I just want to say that if you're new to the channel and you like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. That way you guys get notified of any videos that I may release as soon as I release them, because I am going to be putting out a ton of videos. Also, I have a drawing coming up this Friday for the beauty light. There is going to be a special gift I'm giving away with that, which is going to be a video camera for your PC. It is one of the video cameras that I used in one of my videos a couple months ago. It is the cheaper one, but I'm going to go ahead and give that away. So the winner of this drawing coming up Friday will win both the light and that PC camera. So guys, I just want to thank you all for watching again. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you all on the next one. We're out of here.